students, they may have already familiar with the short note of like Ran Si Si San Group. Ran Si Si Ran Si Si San double. Right. Ran Si Si San Group. Ran Si Si San double. Ran Si Si San Group. ultimate reality,
The same.
the same 52 Jessica. So these two cars are seen. In fact, numberings, and if you are not clear, Sansata, Samotana, Sahabu, Nubiuti, in their order, the matching combination, then seems clear. So this is the number 11. Number 11 is combination of 5, 6, 8. What is 5? 5 is Sansata, right?
Yeah.
6 is
Samotana.
Samotana. 8 is Nubriuti, yes. 7 is Sahabu. 7 is Sahabu, 8 is Nubriuti. So first, clear that line in their order, then it is clear. Therefore, this dukkha number 11 is the combination of dukkha number 5, 6, 8. Then Sansata, Samotana, Nubyuti. Right? Then the name of this 11 dukkha is Cheda, Sansata, Samotana, Nubyuti. Right? Cheda, Sansata, Samotana, Nubyuti, no Dhamma. Right? No Cheda, Sansata, Samotana, Nubyuti, no Dhamma. These two divisions with not positive and negatives. Then up to 11, then clear. So 9, 10, 11, these are combination, not new ones. And the ultimate reality are the same. Jessica 52 and the remaining group. Then number 12. Okay. Number 12 is separate, by separate name, not linked, not connected with the earlier. So what are the number 12? Ajatika Dhamma, Bahira Dhamma. Okay, what are the availability of Ajatika Dhamma? Okay, let's read your Pali Ajatika Dhamma. Where in which number? 54. 54. Page number 54. Paragraph number 1547. 1547. Kadame Dhamma Ajatika. Chakayadanam Manayadanam Ive Dhamma Ajatika. Right? According to the Ajatika Dhamma, what are they? Then you go the charts. In the charts, number 12 dukkha ajatika. 89 Sheda plus 5 Basara. So in the expression of Pali text, Chakayadana, that is the internet base, right? Internet base of eyes, or internet eye base, or eye base, that is internet, right? Eye, ear, nose, tongue, body. Rupayadanam niyaka. Niyaki chata. Niyaka plus achata. Right? What is niyaka here? Niyaki chata. According to this Niyakicchata, it takes all nama and rupa. All nama, all rupa is taken as niyaka. So Niyakicchata is what a person has the name on material. Nama is mental phenomena and rupa is material phenomena. A person possessing of nama and rupa. And all 89 Cheta, 52 Chetasika, nama, and all 28 material phenomena takes as Niyakicchata. So, in the Tika Madhika, Achatika Dhamma, it takes all the nama rupa, Niyakicchata, Niyakicchata. Here, Niyakicchata is all mental and material phenomena that a person belongs to. So, whatever your own body and your own mind, that is Niyakicchata. And number 3, Ijjaticchata. Ijjaticchata. Okay, Ijjata. Okay, you can click. Ijjaticchata. According to this Ijjaticchata takes the 5 pasara. This is the 6 internet. 6 internet bases. That is according to this dukkha. This Pali Ijjatika Dhamma. According to Ijjatika Dhamma, this Ijjatika is taken. In the Tika, Niyakicchata is taken. Therefore, the ultimate reality in the Tika of upada rupa. Upadaya rupa belum. Derivative and derived and derivative. tika. So here we don't have much time to discuss. So simply go. What are the Dhamma which are grasped by the karma and kilesa? Okay, let's read your Pali. Let's go to the Pali. Upadena. Okay, 1551 paragraph number, page number 54. Katabe Dhamma Upadena. Isu Gubisu Vipako. Yancha Rupam Kama Sattata. That is Kamacharupa. Ive Dhamma Upadena. Isu Gubisu excluding Lokotara Bhumi, right? Then Lokiya, Kama, Rupa, Arupa. Isu Bhumisu Vipako. So, in the definition of Chaitanya also, Kama Kilese Chitanati Chaitanya, right? This is the Lokiya Chaitanya. Then what is the English translation? What are the dhammas which are clung to, grasping or clung to? The resultant state in the three sphere, in the mundane three sphere, and that is materiality, which is the result of karma done previously. These karmas are clung to according to Upadena Dhamma, the Lokiya Vipaka. How many? 30. Vipaka altogether 36. Right? Altogether, how many kusala are there? 21. Lokiya 17. Lokotara 4. 21. Then 36 Vipaka, Lokiya 32, Lokotara 4. And how many Kiriya? Kiriya 20. How many Lokiya? All I know. Lokotara has no Kiriya, right? Okay, Katabe Dhamma Anupadena. Let's read the Pali. Katabe Dhamma Anupadena. Isu Bhumisu Kusalam Akusalam. Isu Bhumisu Kiriya Vyagata. Yancha Rupam Na Kama Sattata. Chataro Naka Apriyamana. Chatari Cha Samaya Paladi. Nibbana. Please, I have this Pali also nice. Go to Bangladesh. That's the devotional service, devotional practice, devotional songs. Devotional song, devotional service. In every religion, this chapter of devotional service or devotional song, recitation of Preda Astra, Preda chanting or Buddha Guna, Dhamma Guna, Sangha Guna, or recitation of Patana, whatever. These are in the category of devotional service. In ancient times, you know, in India, the tradition of sun worship or moon worship, pay respect to the sun, pay Dunia kalau bangsa, always good. Because sweet is the source of energy. So they eat a lot of sweets. They even they drink huge utensils for maybe 70s, 80 people can eat sweets. After prayer, that is they call devotional service. After devotional service, around 15-20 minutes, they start talking, teaching at the Wahida, starting religious texts, explained by the Hindu monks or Hindu Holy. Before they chant 15 or 20 minutes, that is a mahantara, they call a great mantra, that is Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, with the two tabla, from Dawin and the Kunilin. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. When the pratham is rising up, speed up, high pitch, then at the end everybody gets up and dancing. Chanting and dancing. When they start chanting and dancing, we have other students also call us. We have 2 months from Myanmar. Then, next time we come to know when that section comes, going to dance, then we have to quietly slip away. Slip away. Otherwise, they are bringing, let's dance. We Buddhist monks have never practiced that kind of dancing or chanting. So it's very strange. Then they dance for some few minutes. After that, calm down. Then the section of devotional service is concluded. Then started a matter and question and answer extra. After that, the mother they entertain with sweets. You know, Indian people are very stingy